It is that time of year again. Yeah, it is. I love to say it. It is a new year, which means a better and improved us. Are you sick and tired of seeing all the girlies make their aesthetic vision boards, writing down their goals in their iPads, and you feel like you will never, ever, ever be able to reach the goals you set for yourself? Well, hi, I'm Aaliyah. You guys can call me Nani if you want to. And today I am going to give you 3 easy steps that you need to take when wanting to achieve your goals. Let's bring in this new year in an amazing, amazing way. So let's get into it.
But I'll be on it always, always and
We'll say when it comes to setting your goals, I change the way I set my goals. I completely switched to the quarter method. If you guys do not know, the quarter method is basically where you break down the year in 3-month increments, or if it helps you a little bit better to understand, you break it down by season. So the first quarter, which what I'll be discussing today, is months January to March. Planning through the quarter is much easier because life be lifing. Life be lifing. And you don't know what's going to happen in October when you're planning in February. You have no clue. You could move, you could get a new job, you can get engaged. Like, you literally do not know. So it's quite hard to plan too far ahead. Now, planning months through January to March might sound a lot as well. But if you really think about it, you can see what is going on in that quarter better. I really like the quarter method because now I'm on a quarter system with college. I can easily keep track of what's going on, and I can plan ahead because, girl, I'm only taking these few classes for 3 months. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2 is make a plan. Now, I want to give you guys a very quick rundown of my goals. So this is my cute little journal. I love her down. I'm almost done with her, which makes me kind of sad. But this is my journal. And when I make goals, I plan out every area of my life. I write down whatever area of my life that I truly need to work on. And I make a plan within those goals. For example, let me just get into it. So I broke it down into body, faith, academics, consecration, relationships, finances. So for body, I was like, okay, I really want to improve my physique. I really want to get stronger, but how do I achieve a certain physique? Well, I need to stay consistent and I need to bring in progressive overload. So I will train 4 to 5 times a week, eat 130 grams of protein per day, but I'll create a 3-month program and stick to it. I cannot change it up around. If I want to change it up around, then I literally enforcing myself to restart my program, which means it may be even harder to track my progress. But girl, I don't care. I literally don't care. Like, if I decide to change it, I'm going to deal with the consequences. Simple as that. Then for faith, I truly want to include the Lord in everything that I'm doing, whether that be talking to him before I make a big decision, or talking to him after an argument, or whatever it may be. I want to include him in everything, which means increasing my prayer life, okay? Then I want to read a chapter of my word every single day. Today, I had an amazing time waking up at the crack of dawn to be in my word, and today I read Proverbs 28, and the best way that I've been getting myself back on track with reading my word every single day, especially a chapter, is having my Bible close to me, 1, but also 2, taking my phone out of the room. I literally go to sleep with my phone in the living room because I'm very quick to grab my phone and go on social media before I spend time with the Lord. I will completely create the habit of Bible before phone. See what I mean? Then for academics, child, when I tell you, I want to have like when this year of college is done, I want to do like a what I learned, but I'm telling you right now, academics in college this last quarter was so rough on me. I was working, I was doing school, I was trying to do content creation, hang out with friends. Like, I was not managing my time well. So when it comes to academics this quarter, we are becoming academic weapons once again, because I used to be an academic weapon when I did high school and college at the same time. So I can do this, period. So the first thing I want to do is to go to the library once a week. Not only during final season, midterm season, the syllabus week. No, I want to go to the library every single week and just sit there and study. I haven't figured out how long I want to study for, especially since, girl, I have to work at school. Then I got, content stuff I'm working on. Like, I don't know how long we're going to spend in the library. I should probably figure that out very soon. But I want to spend a nice chunk of time, around an hour or so, in the library, just sharpening my tool. Okay, just sharpening my brain. Whether that be writing a simple little response or even getting ahead of class. And that is another goal that I want to do. I want to stop procrastinating, and I want to stop waiting till the last minute to submit assignments. I was never an 11:59 girl. I became an 11:59 girl when I went to college, and it's irritating. We're stopping that now, okay? So I want to start on assignments 2 to 5 days early. Now, that sounds insane, because that still does not sound like you're getting that much ahead. But compared to starting the night of, that is an amazing glow up for me, and I'm going to take it. With quarter goals, you just have to become a better you, and that is me becoming a better me. Okay. And then for content creation, when I first graduated high school, I want to research, like genuine research, how to grow my platform. I feel like I post whatever I want to post, and edit however I want to edit, but I truly want to perfect my craft. But then I also want to pick a day where I like pre-record and just batch a whole bunch of content, whether that be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, because I've noticed myself not being consistent when I have no content. I'm like, oh, I really want to post on Friday, but I can't post because I have not that much footage from the week, and I don't really have time to edit it, and I didn't take the time to truly plan out how I wanted this vlog to go. So I'm just not going to post it. I'm just going to trash the footage. Do you know how much footage I have trashed in 2023? So much footage. It's actually like insane, and it kind of makes me sad. I almost want to do like a 2023 recap video, but I don't want to do that. But you guys understand, like, I have thrown away so much content because I was not planning my stuff well. If you couldn't tell, I really want to work on time management this quarter. Time management. Because I don't understand. Then relationships. I want to become a call and FaceTime girl more. I kind of want to not slow down, but like slowly eliminate texting. That sounds insane, but like I'm kind of over it. Like I feel like I can't really check in on a person when I'm texting. I rather FaceTime. I rather talk on the phone if they're not comfortable with FaceTiming. Like I want to be that girl. So I want to schedule weekly or weekly FaceTimes or weekly calls with like friends and family. And then I want to hang out with a new friend by myself. I feel like it's easy, but then it's hard to make new friends because I could be a very closed off person because I'm like, who are you? But I want to hang out with one new friend by myself and truly get to know one new person this quarter. One person is actually a very low number, especially since when you go to college, everyone mom wants to talk to you. But one new friend. Now, when we get into finances, I have 2 to 3 major goals for finances. I truly want to get a credit card. I need to build my credit because I'm going to blink and want a place and I can't get a place. I want to learn how to manage a credit card. I don't want to be that person that goes into credit card debt. Like, I want to be financially responsible enough to have a credit card, one, but also learn to invest. I feel like a lot of people are talking about those accounts that are like savings accounts, but your money grows when it's in that savings account. I forgot what it's called. See, I need to do my research. But I want to get an account like that. I want to be able to grow my money while I'm sleeping in a safe, loving, and legal way. And then number 3, a huge goal for me this quarter is budgeting my checks. I literally just get a check, especially if you're in college. I'll get a check and like budget it, but then I will clearly run over that budget because of food. Because after a while, on-campus food does not sound good. And if you buy too much campus food, your dining dollars are going to run out. See, it's a whole like math to it. But you guys understand. I want to budget every single one of my checks because I want to be able to save up for, you know, some things. And I can't save up for it if I'm blowing $30, $40 on DoorDash every other day. Third and final step that I have for you guys is tracking your progress. This is my most favorite tip to give someone because I'm such a visual girl. I love to track my progress. Now, I've shared before, but I really want to briefly touch on it. I started my fitness journey in 2020, 2021, and I knew in order to keep me going, I needed to take pictures. So I took pictures the first day I started working out, and I believe a week or so after, and then I did a month checkup, stuff like that. And then now my checkups are very far apart because like I'm not a newbie anymore, so my gains are not going to come as quickly. But you guys get it. Comparing a photo from 2020, 2021 to 2023, the gains are gaining. Literally my upper body, my lower body, like it's just eating the girls up, and I'm so proud of myself, and it's making me want to push more and to grow more and to develop more disciplined goals for this quarter. So track your progress. There was even a trend on TikTok, which I thought was so beautiful, where you like take a picture, like you have a picture of you when you only knew of Jesus, and then you put a picture of when you know Jesus or when you accepted Jesus as your life and savior. Through those two pictures, y'all, you can clearly see a difference on how the Lord changed my life. That progress was insane, girl. In freaking insane. So track your progress. Track your progress, and you're literally going to look back at the end of this quarter or at the end of the year, even if you're doing your yearly goals instead of quarters. You're going to look back and be like, wow, 2024 owes me nothing. I have reached every goal that I've set, and I have pictures, videos to prove it. How amazing is that? First of all, you're tracking your progress, so you're keeping yourself motivated. But then if someone asks you how you reached a goal and what it looked like for you, you can literally show them the evidence. You're standing in the evidence. That is so beautiful to me. So if you don't take anything away from this video, the number one tip, master 2024, is to track your progress. Literally, I'm such a habit tracker girl. Love that app down. I love taking pictures. I love taking videos. Like, even if it's just for myself, I love to do it. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed. Let me know down below what your goals are for the quarter or even for the whole year. I'm so excited to change up my content and truly invest in what I create for you guys. So be on the lookout for some very exciting upgrades. But I love you guys dearly. Know that I love you and that God loves you so, so, so much. And I'll see you guys later.